so enormous. Streamers in the air, who cares? Angels among us. We betting on the future, ignoring the stars' warnings. So beautiful, amazing, we following God's calling. Cause we singing higher roads and roads out of the garbage. For what it's worth, I see the earth like a goddess. The sun is the father, the moon is just a toddler. Spinning in the Milky Ways, I'm gazing farther into the bluest hues, the truth fading beyond us. It's taking off the harness and using the good knowledge. I'm paying homage to scholars and showing the way for us. Further acknowledge, we carve through stone and polish. Brighter than Apollo and beautiful like Adonis. Beholding Neo Genesis, taking with honor. Siddhartha contemplating in Gandhi's Mahatma Shakti. Children of a lesser God, we rise regardless. Singing at the end of the world, we live harder. Writing in the book of life with no author. Wishing the world for the better but still falter. Children of a lesser God, we rise regardless. Singing at the end of the world, we live harder. Writing in the book of life with no author. Wishing the world for the better but still falter. Even after we heard the chorus, church bells ringing, we so enormous. We holding up our hands to the sky and crying on us. Amazing to wonder, we wonder what's up above us. So even in destruction, we find it something to love us. Cause life is a world of one side of beautiful struggle. Titanic in the forces and order citing its sources of inspiration higher like Zion's measured proportions. Huge and diamonds, but not the one causing a riot. But in the gems of truth loose, we are Orion. Maybe Osiris. Rebirth without the science, never a clone, baby. I renew spiraling higher until I reincarnate into a being of fire. Pure energy states of being, I do aspire. Pure energy states of being, I do aspire. Never retire until my spirit becomes wiser. Children of a lesser God, we rise regardless. Singing at the end of the world, we live harder. Writing in the book of life with no author. Wishing the world for the better but still falter. Children of a lesser God, we rise regardless. Singing at the end of the world, we live harder. Writing in the book of life with no author. Wishing the world for the better but still falter. Joyous still again after the chorus. Church bells ringing, we singing, we so enormous. We look into the heavens with sevens up on our foreheads, praying for world peace and hoping mission accomplished. Breathing the same breath, but death always among us. But yet we never have to accept the warmongers, bringing it in. Chasing the seraphim, trying to get my blessing of life. Yes, so let's begin. Children of a lesser God, we rise regardless. Singing at the end of the world, we live harder. Writing in the book of life with no author. Wishing the world for the better but still falter. Children of a lesser God, we rise regardless. Singing at the end of the world, we live harder. Writing in the book of life with no author. Wishing the world for the better but still falter. Like star. Light as a feather when I'm floating through, reading through the daily news, measuring the hurt within the golden rule. Centimeters of ether, I'm heating the speaker. Motivational teacher with words that burn people. Singing the headlines, line with discord. It's either genocide or the planet in uproar. Never good. The rules in paradise are never nice. The best laid plans of mice and men are never right. I'm just a vagabond with flowers for Algernon, an average Joe who knows what the fuck is going on. It's the hope of my thoughts that I travel upon. Fly like an arrow of God until I'm gone. So drifting away like a feather in air, letting my words take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the sun.
lift you off the earth like, hey yo, take you right back to birth. And niggas wonder why, they might wonder why this shit might happen, but it does. They go
drifting away like a feather in air, letting my words take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. So I'm drifting away like a feather in air, letting my soul take me away from the hurt and despair. So I'm keeping it vertical, forever elevator, riding the escalator to the something that is greater. Treat you better than